Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our webinar. And today we have Priyanka and Kura along with us. So Priyanka is going to place trades first, and then we will be moving towards the news part. So over to you, Priyanka.
Thank you, Princey. The markets have already opened.
You can get out at 115 like that. Just check the code board. Yeah, get out at 115 or maybe 112 so that we get our order. Yesterday we were fiddling that 5 rupees. For that 5 rupees, we lost 4,000. If we had gotten out in the morning at a minimal loss, that would have been where is that 172 which flashed? What number was that?
Our order got completed, Kura.
Okay, at least with minimal damage. I don't know what's going to happen because S&P is softening again. Let's put a dip on Bank Nifty. We'll put
Okay.
40,500 weekly call.
This week,
Yeah.
it's at 391, Kura.
Somewhere between low and current price. 340.
Yeah.
We exited our Nifty call for a loss of some 2,200 price at 112. And trying to buy the dip in Bank Nifty if it materializes. Otherwise, we'll see at the close. Play for a Friday up, Monday up if this sustains. If we get a dip, buy that. The limit at 345. Right now it is at 390 on.
We've kept the limit at 340, Kura.
Maybe 345. Somewhere around 5 points. Yeah, Princey. What's the news?
Over to you, Princey.
Princey.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yep, Kura. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So in global market updates we have is US futures is marginally lower following a close in the green for cash market. US market ends with gains on Thursday. Frontline indices rise up to 1%. Dow posts its best day since February 13, rises over 340 points. Nasdaq is up by around 0.8%. Then we have is AGX Nifty that trades higher, indicates a gap up opening for the Indian market. Moving towards the Indian ADR, we can see that all the Indian ADRs are up except for the HDFC Bank. And In stocks to watch, we have in news is Adani Green Energy. Positive news here. The company's 700 megawatt wind solar hybrid plant in Jaisalmer has become fully operational. And Alembic Pharmaceuticals, not so positive news. The company will take an impairment charge of rupees 1,150 crores on 3 manufacturing facilities under construction in Gujarat. The 3 plants are expected to take a hit to their profitability. And Happiest Mind Technologies, so the company approved allotment of 12,500 NCDs. Indian Bank, the bank will increase its lending rate. MOIL, the company recorded 10% jump year-on-year basis during February in production of manganese ore. Then we have in news is Hindustan Petroleum Corporation. The company issued 1 lakh debentures on private placement basis. There's an update by Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services. So their total disbursement increased by 53%, but the collection efficiency has faltered to 97%. An adequate liquidity buffer to cover funds a requirement for 3 months. And Divgi, this IPO Divgi thought transfer system is in news. Then in block deals we have is Adani Green Energy, Adani Ports and SEZ, Adani Transmission. So GQG Partners.
Which fund is about GQG?
Yes, GQG Partners. We'll go on that. In trading tweaks, we can see that nothing much here. Insider trades, these are the stocks that we can watch on screen. And
Soba, that guy is again buying.
yes. On
Shoba.
Yes, promoter Putan NC Menon has bought 10,000 shares.
And even that KCP, that lady is also buying.
VL Indra Dutt.
Yeah, we have that in our portfolio.
In FNQs, we can see that the Nifty March futures ended at 17,388, a discount of 144 points. And the Nifty March futures rose by 2.95%. Nifty Bank March futures ended at 40,565, a discount of 345 points. And Nifty Bank March futures fell by 4.83%. In money market update, we can see that the rupee closed at around 0.10% lower against the US dollar at 82.59 on Thursday. So moving.
I don't know what is that Bonga doing. Climate science. That Bonga, Ajay Bonga. Ajay Bonga, climate science big believer.
Okay.
I mean, I don't believe in that climate science nonsense. So, why is the Indian the whole point is the Western countries enjoyed all this AC and those small luxuries or big luxuries for the last 20 years. And Indians, when they're just able to afford, these Western guys are putting this climate science nonsense. I mean, we can't eat fish, the salmon, we can't AC, we can't drive big cars. When they have done that for the last 20 years. So that's my opinion. So that's a big nonsense. Yeah, you were telling something else.
GQG Partners, so they have invested a huge chunk in Adani. They have bought various stocks. So giving a brief about the founder and chairperson of Mr. Rajiv Jain. So Rajiv Jain shifted to US in 1990 to study MBA at the University of Miami. After being born and raised in India, with over 23 years of expertise, he founded.
You can put your cursor on that GQG Partners, that website. Yes. 5th tab.
Yes, this person. Is that? Yeah, so he's
Looks like a long-term investor. I don't know whether he has picked the bottom or not, but this guy is a long-term investor.
for a year we have
Yes.
this has been said like they have been outperformers.
But that's only story from 2016.
Mhm.
Out of which ITC is one of his big holding. So ITC added to his outperformance. ITC is also my core holding in Nifty portfolio. And, the benchmark, yeah, for him it's a MSCI World X. That's correct only. Which is basically India and World X USA. So except US, everything else comes. Europe, India, stuff. So Europe didn't do good, so that's why it's only 3.9%. On top of it, the euro tanked from 1.23 levels to at par now. So that's a 4% performance, and he has done extremely good. He might have gone into the healthcare stocks in Europe, which don't fall, which don't raise also. But yeah, slowly they raise, like Novartis, few bunch of stocks, whatever is the European pharma giants. That's what his holdings might be, ex-US. Yeah, but that's a very good performance. So I hope he has picked or tried to pick the bottom at Adani. That's a huge chunk, about 4% stake in each of the companies. Adani Enterprises, Adani Total Gas, Adani Ports, and then what is the other pick?
Adani Green.
Adani Green, yeah. Adani should have done this long back.
Do you think there is any political influence behind this?
I don't know.
Okay. All right, so that's it in the news.
Did we get a fill or no?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll share my screen. No, Kura, we haven't got a fill.
No, we got it. Oh, sorry, it ran up to 435.
Yes, our order was at 345.
And that also ran up 20 points. That's fine. I mean, I don't have regrets. All right, we'll see. I mean, come back in the evening. If we get a dip buy, we'll buy it. Otherwise, I'm not going to chase here. I might as well chase at the close, wherever it is. All right, guys. See you in the evening.